Okay, Hari sir, tell me, what did you understand about this Warrior Group? Hello, Hari sir, can you hear me? Hello. Okay, Inder, can you hear me?
Yes, Aritra, I can hear.
Okay, so tell me, what did you understand about this Warrior Group?
Group of industries. They were in like almost so many big sectors. They're doing well. Yeah.
Okay, so do you think that Warrior Group succeeded or became such a large empire because its founder had a huge vision, had the ability to think big? Do you think they are correlated? Inder, what do you think?
Achieving in every business success that can be like one is that he know how to exchange. Like he giving something joy, he getting the money. That is the business in like simple words. Like the customer feel good, so that's why he giving money. Like they're getting service, they're getting product. The exchange of that, they gives money. So this is the business in simple. So like he know these kind of things, like the quality parameters and that kind of thing, timing and everything. And second is like someone has a specialty in something.
You're not audible. Inder, you're not audible. Hello. Hey, Hari sir, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah, so
Yes.
think that the Warrior Group became such a large empire because the founder had a huge vision or the founder had the ability to think big. So do you think that they are correlated?
Your voice is breaking, Haritra.
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. Yes.
My question was that the Warrior Group became such a large empire.
Mhm.
It had a huge vision for this company. Do you think that the founder had the ability to think big?
Uh, Definitely, the one who is the founder or who runs the company, his vision was very long term and very like he's a visionary person, and his company it went on from generations. So it was not that one person started and son or daughter they just closed that company, but rather they kept on expanding. So they became like one of the oldest and one of the greatest company in Indian history. So they started with shipbuilding, and after that they have expanded to various other sectors. So that is the thing. So it's vision actually. The vision was very clear of the founder. So because of that, they are able to sustain for such a long time.
And in there, what do you think about this?
Can you repeat your question?
Yeah. Okay, Hari sir, can you please explain it to him?
No, but I just answered about question was where do you think the founder was very great or he was very visionary about his company so that the company is like it's a 283-year-old company. So Aritra's question was whether the founder is having that vision or not. Right, Aritra?
Yeah, right. In there, please answer this.
Is it so he have vision, he have everything like punctuality. The businessman should have that all things, the all qualities he has.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you want to add about this warrior group, Hari sir?
No, that's it. The video was very explanatory. So self-explanatory actually. So I think there is no other group in India which is as old as Wadia Group. And because it is old, many of us are not aware also that there is a company called, like there is a group called Wadia, conglomerate called Wadia Group. So very few of us might be knowing it. I came to know because I was staying in Pune for 5 years, and there is one college that they have. It's a very famous college for commerce and like CAs and also in Wadia College, Nes Wadia, Nauroji Wadia. So Wadias are very famous in Pune, and that's how I came to know about that group. And one of my friend is also associated with Wadia Group. So he owns a agency or what we call it, Bombay Dyeing. For he is a retail outlet of Bombay Dyeing. So that's how I did some research about Wadia Group long back, and then I suggested this topic so that we'll understand little bit about Wadia Group.
Okay. In there, you want to add anything? Hello, in there. Do you want to add anything about this topic? Or else I would end the session now. Okay, I guess in there is not audible.
Yes. You want
Okay,
to add
so
anything, Aritra? What is your views on this group? This is
if you are
older
starting, yeah, so
than Reliance. Yeah, who is speaking now?
yeah, I would like to say that if a person is starting a business, so he should have the ability to think big, to be a great visionary. Because you see, Warrior Group is such a large empire today only because the founder was a very visionary man. He did not think small. If you think small, then your business would be small. But if you think big,
Oh,
if you think uh, 10 years from now or 20 years from now, then your
Oh.
business will grow in such a large scale. But if you think only for
Exactly.
5 years from now, then it would be small. That thing I learned from this video.
Exactly. And one more thing we should try to research further. That is the clash between Reliance and Wadia Group, and wherein Reliance was in competition with Wadia. So if you go back to history, like probably 30 years back or 25 years back, so Reliance was not at that big name yet 30 years back. So Wadia and Bombay Dyeing is a very big brand as such in clothing, apparels, and all type of clothes. So Bombay Dyeing was a very big brand at that time, and Reliance brand into this type of clothing was Vimal. So Reliance, we should understand what was that thing that was going on, that clash, because there might be something to learn how Dhirubhai Ambani cracked the market, and how he became this thing like number one in this textile type of thing, textile raw material like polyester. So polyester yarn, that was a very big business at that time. It is and Bombay Dyeing Wadia Group was handling most of the business. So which all companies that are there today, big conglomerates like Tata, Birla, Reliance. So Wadia is much more before than, like it is a group which is much older than all these groups. So probably they have seen a much larger uh, market, or they have much more experience than these new entrants, right? So I think we should understand much more about Wadia Group. And just this video was informative, but there are many more things that we can understand and learn from them. So even like they are into airlines business also, Go Air, right? And none other than this, they have a cricket team also, and also like chemical manufacturing, like hydrogen peroxide, one of the largest manufacturer of hydrogen peroxide. So just see the diversity, like they are doing clothes, they are doing shipping, they are doing air, like aeroplanes, they're everywhere there, like they are doing FMCG biscuits, then they have colleges, then you name it, they have that brand, in short, right? But even Tata and these all things, Reliance, they are just following Wadia Group only, in short, because they are able to manage such diversified businesses. So in the same way, they are also doing Tatas and Reliance. So, but thing is, Wadia is a little bit, they are not that famous now, and people don't know much about Wadia Group as compared to Tata's and Reliance, because they are much more, what do you say, marketing wise, and with time they captured market much more than that. What do you think, Aditya? Why people don't know Wadia Group, though it is so famous, like though it is so big?
I can say I I don't have any opinion about this. Maybe because Reliance is more popular.
No, that is the question. Why Reliance is popular? If you ask a common man what is Wadia Group, so probably very less people will know. But when we ask Reliance or Tata, everyone knows. So there might be some reason. Maybe they are
Yeah,
not.
because the founder has the reputation of charisma.
No, but Wadia founder is also a very charismatic person, and
I don't know his name actually. I never knew his name. But if
no,
you talk
Wadia is
about
the name.
Reliance, Everybody would
Ah.
say Dhirubhai Ambani. If you talk about
Mm.
Tata, everybody would say Ratan
Now,
Tata. The
correct,
founder has the
correct.
charisma.
Correct. So actually, 238-year-old company. So that is obvious. No one will be knowing or having that idea about the founder, who is the founder of that company. So I think it was Lalji Wadia, someone. So they are all actually same. They belong to the same caste like Tatas, Parsi. They belong to the Parsi families. So they are very expert in business. And have you ever met any Parsi guy, Aditya?
No, no.
Yeah, so you meet any Parsi guy, you will understand like their way of thinking and the way of business that they do. Means it's it's exceptional. Like we can't
They are business
really,
minded.
yeah, very business minded people, and they keep relationships also very well. They maintain that. So customer oriented, like they know how to tackle business and how to maintain customers, how to
Yeah,
mm,
I understand.
just how to increase your customers, right? So that is the thing.
Inder, you want to
So
say anything?
Inder, what is your views?
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask that what is that something like hydrogen? What was that exactly?
Your voice is breaking actually.
Yeah, actually, you said na what you
Uh,
said.
uh-huh.
Hydrogen kind of projects. What was that?
No,
Related to hydrogen.
what is your question? Inder, I couldn't get you.
I just wanted to know about what is that. You said na they have something related to hydrogen. Yeah.
H2
What was
H2O2, hydrogen
what,
peroxide.
what is very
Your voice is not clear, Inder.
like very
You can Google it. What is H2O2? Hydrogen
what's that?
peroxide. It's a chemical. Oh, audible. Hello.
Am I
Hello.
audible?
Yeah, now you are audible in there. Yes. Yes, you are audible.
Inder, you're not audible. I guess.
Okay, then we will end the session, Aritra.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
You can end the session.